Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only Vijay and today I am going to teach you MS Excel lecture number 71. Today I will teach you how to find the difference between two dates. For example, here I have a starting date and an ending date, and I want to find out how many years of difference there are between the starting date and the ending date. Then I want to find out the total difference in months as well. Similarly, we want to know the total difference in days. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then don't forget to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, you need to create a table like this where you will write the start date and the ending date, and then you have to write the headings like this. I will remove this data from here and then I have to type here. Now, I need to find out the number of years, the difference in years between the starting date and the ending date. So for that, you will write equals to, and then you have to type dated and start the bracket. After that, you have to click on the start date here. After clicking on the start date, you have to put a comma here and then click on the end date, and after that, you have to write another comma. Then you will use inverted commas, and for years, what we use inside the inverted commas is just YE. You will close the inverted commas and close the bracket, and as soon as you press enter, you can see the difference of 2 years here. And if you click here and drag, you will see that the difference for all the other starting and ending dates we had is also now being shown here. Similarly, if we want to find out the total difference in months here, we will repeat the same formula again. We have to write dated if, open the bracket, give the start date, and then put a comma. After that, click on the end date and put a comma. Inside the inverted commas, you have to type M. M stands for months, then close the bracket and press enter. So here, the difference is 24 months. Now we will click here. As we drag it, you can see that we are also getting the total months here. In the same way, if you want to find out the number of days, you have to write equals to, and here you will type dated if, start the bracket, then select the start date, type a comma, then click on the end date, type another comma, and inside inverted commas, you have to type D. Close the inverted commas and the bracket, and as soon as you press enter, you will get a total difference of 730, that is 730 days. In this way, you can also find out the difference for the other dates by dragging here. So this concludes my comprehensive lecture for today, in which you have seen exactly how easily and quickly you can find out the specific difference in years, months, and even days between any two given dates in your data. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.